All right, we're looking for a percent composition when we are given the formula. Um, One thing I'm going to need is the molar mass of this thing, so I'm going to go ahead and calculate that right now. So 12 carbon, or 9 carbons, which are a mass of 12, 10 hydrogens, which is a mass of 1, 1 oxygen, which is a mass of 16. So I'm going to add that all together and figure out the molar mass. And I got 134 grams per mole. All right, so then for the percent composition, I can take how many moles I have of it in the compound, in 1 mole of it, times the molar mass divided by the total molar mass and multiply it by 100 to make it a percent. So you're basically like, how much does it weigh? How many do you have? Divided by how much does it weigh total? And then make it a percent with 100. So for carbon, 9 times 12 over 134. For hydrogen, 10 times 1 over 134. And then oxygen, 1 times 16 over 134. And I'll just put those in my calculator. When I'm done, hopefully they should all add up to 100%. And in this case, carbon is one of the heavier, it's a lot heavier than hydrogen, and close to the same as oxygen, but I have a lot more of them. So it totally makes sense that most of my weight, 80%, would come from carbon, and then close to 10% from hydrogen, and then the rest would be from my oxygen, also around 10%. And so, like I said, those should add up to 100%. And if I can do this on screen, you can see what I'm doing. Won't be able to see where I'm writing, but they do add up to exactly 100%. So that's it. Those are my percentages, my percent composition. Now there's the second part of the question. It says how many molecules are in 0.469 grams. So for that, I need to go from grams to moles, moles to molecules. So I'm going to use that molar mass of the whole thing that I figured out earlier, the 134. And then Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Remember, that's anything you can count, including molecules. So that's how many molecules are in 1 mole. I set this up so that all my units would cancel. And to 3 sig figs, I get 2.11 times 10 to the 21st. And that's how many molecules.